Bible quiz time. What bird brought food to Prophet Elijah during a drought? Answer: a raven. According to the Bible, the Old Testament, 1 Kings chapter 17, verse 6. The ravens brought him bread and meat in the morning, and bread and meat in the evening, and he drank from the brook. This means that God miraculously provided for the prophet Elijah by having ravens deliver bread and meat to him twice a day at the brook Cherith. This verse illustrates God's sovereignty, his ability to provide through unusual means, and his care for those who obey him, encouraging believers to trust his provision even in difficult circumstances.
If you answer correctly, good job. If not, read your Bible. Please like and subscribe.